city should start now to plan for receiving funding. You want to be positioned to be able to put that money to work immediately. So first, cities should be looking at their capital improvement plan, not just those projects that were in the plan for the upcoming period, but really those projects that are in their entire plan out in the future. Think about how those projects can be accelerated. It also may cause you to think a little bit about how to reprioritize some of your funding or some of those particular projects. If you think back about the last recession, the projects that got funded were those that were shovel ready. So it makes sense now to start doing studies, preliminary design, maybe even final design, so that you are ready to receive funding when it comes about. And I think cities need to think also about their own capacity and their own staffing to be able to manage capital improvement plan that will surge for 2 to 8 years, something like that, whether it's their own staff and staff that they're going to have around for the next 6 or 8 years, as well as outside resources that they may be able to employ to help manage a program of capital projects. Well, as a city council member myself, I think residents can expect certainly road repair, road improvement, expansion projects. I think you'll also see a lot of drainage projects, drainage improvement projects, probably even fixing some historical or legacy combined sanitary storm sewer systems. That may not be the most flashy projects out there, but they need to get done and we need to get them behind us. I think you'll also see an opportunity for community enhancement projects such as parks and trail systems or street diets or streetscape systems that will enhance some older parts of communities or smaller communities. I think communities will see enhanced broadband connectivity through competitive providers, since there's certainly been a lot more focus put on broadband as critical infrastructure. And I think as we've seen recently with electrical problems, hopefully that electrical distribution systems get enhanced and updated and really expanded in a way that'll support electric vehicle charging, since electrical vehicles are coming to be, and I think will be part of mainstream. So it really will be a part of building our infrastructure for the future in our communities.